Right, greetings class, this is Mr. Marashanye. Welcome to our online lessons. Today we are going to talk about the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is just the arrangement of electrons in shells. The arrangement of electrons in shells. Kureva kurongedzwa kwema electrons muma shells. And what you need to know first is that the first shell hold a maximum of 2 electrons, and the second shell it hold a maximum of 8 electrons, and the third shell hold a maximum of 8 electrons. Okay, so we have the question here that I want to answer. The question it reads, draw the electronic configuration for the following atoms. Okay, number 1, you are being asked to draw the electronic configuration for carbon atom. Okay, which means you are being asked to arrange the electrons of carbon atom in its shells. So I am going to show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all, you need to know this one thing. You need to know that carbon, being represented by this symbol C, has about 6 electrons. 6 electrons. And on those 6 electrons, if you remove 2 electrons that you are going to put on the first shell, you are going to remove 2 first. So if you remove 2 from these 6, you are going to left with something like 4, which means on the first shell you are going to put 2 electrons, and on the second shell you are going to put 4 electrons. Okay, kuroti pa 6 electrons ndo auri kushare, you are now arranging, uri kurongedza ma electrons in shells. So pekutanga panofana kuzara ni 2, uchabvisa 2 mu 6 panosara mangani, panosara 8. Pechipiri panofana kuzara ne 8, but isusu tasara ne 4, so tichangwesa 4 ati now. So I'm going to draw a circle and I'm going to show you how to arrange these electrons in shells. Okay, all right, so please listen to me. Right, I'm going to draw a circle here. Right, this is a circle as you can see. So I'm going to remove this radius. Right. So I'm going to arrange these electrons in shells. So at the center of this circle, you're going to put the element symbol for carbon. Kurakuti isustanzi to draw electron configuration for carbon. I'm going to put a C here. Okay, I'm going to put a C here. Then after that, I'm going to put 2 electrons on the first shell. 2 electrons on the what? On the first shell. So let me draw another shell again. Let me draw another shell. Okay, this is the first shell. All right, then I remove this one. Okay. All right, let me. All right, something like this. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to put electrons in shells. So for the first shell, which is this one, I'm going to put the first electrons, and my electrons and kutanga apa afanirwe kudarika 2, because the first shell it hold a maximum of 2. So just element symbol here, which is carbon, represented by C. So I'm going to put 2 electrons, 1, 2. Okay, this is the first shell. Kuroti panapa we are done. Then second shell rinofana kuzara ne 8, but pa carbon tine mangani, tine 4. So I'm going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That drawer inonzi electronic configuration for carbon atom. Okay, then let me draw the electron configuration for what you call magnesium atom. Magnesium atom. magnesium atom. So magnesium atom in about 12 electrons. So I'm going to draw 3 shells, okay? And 1, 1, then 2, then 3. All right, these are 3 shells, okay, that I have here. So I'm going to remove this, sorry, but we are going to fix it, okay. All right, done. So we're going to put the element symbol at the center. Magnesium is represented by Mg. Magnesium is represented by Mg. And tatichi is to start magnesium in a 12 electrons. 12 electrons. So I'm going to share. Pekutanga tichaisa 2, then tinenge tasala mangani ne 10. Page 2 to bataisa 8, tosala ne mangani ne 2. So kurati pekutanga tichaisa 2, panotera tesa 8, panotera tesa 2. So I'm going to do that. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upon finding the 8 couples, upon 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then the last shell I'm going to put 2, 1, 2. As you can see, Canada is on the drawer known as electronic configuration diagram for magnesium. Inonzi electronic kungorongedza ma electrons in shells chete, the arrangement of electrons in shells, or what you call orbitals. This is the periodic table. As you can see, isu startup bvunzwa kuti tese tanga tanzi ti draw the electronic configuration for carbon. As you can see, carbon in 6 electrons. So ndosaka paya tati 2 pekutanga, then panotera tobvatesa 4 to make it 6. Then let us check magnesium. This is the periodic table. As you can see, this is magnesium. All right, magnesium ine mangani ine 12 electrons. So pa 12 tabvisa 2 pekutanga, ndobvatasara ne 10, ndobvatabvisa 8, anaenda page 2, ndobvatasara ne mangani ne 2. That's why taisa pekutanga 2, panotera tikesa 8, panotera tikesa 2. That's how we draw electronic configuration for these atoms, okay? I think you are assisted, okay? If you need help on online lessons, just contact me on the number shown on your screen here. Just contact me on that number so that you can join our online lessons as soon as possible, especially for those that are going to write in November. Thank you so much. After watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel, okay?